What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's kind of special. We've been building crawlers, we've been building drift cars, and we've been kind of going slow lately. And so I thought it's time to go fast. So I bought a Maxx. This truck was a steal because this thing is $550 new and I got it for $350 on OfferUp. So that gives us a lot of room to build this truck, get new wheels, put a body on it. So pretty stoked on that. This truck can run 4S. I ran it on 3S when I test drove it when I bought the car, and it was trying to pull the front wheels off the ground, no problem. So 4S on this thing should be wild. The dunes is going to be super fun. A super cool feature on this thing is if you're like 100 feet away and you don't want to go and run and flip over the truck, you can hold down the set button for 4 seconds on the remote and you let off and it flips itself over. It has self-righting. I tried it on the 2S, but it doesn't have enough power. You probably have to have 3S and above to get this thing to flip over on self-righting. Enough talking.